With a page link, you can jump between any pages within your app. Page links are a really useful feature to use in your app, and I think one of the main pages you'll use it on is going to be on your contents page. With a page link, you can jump to different pages within your app and different sections. So for example, these 3 pages that we have designed here are all in the same section. You could jump between the top to the bottom, or the bottom to the middle, or between any of those, but you can also jump out of this section into a different section and a different page within that section. So the first thing to do is you usually do this towards the end because you need to know what the name of your folder is going to be. So this folder, for example, is going to be Article 1. So I'm just going to copy that. You need to be sure of exactly where your capital letters are and exactly how it's written on the folder. So if I want to tap here and jump to page 2, I create a new hyperlink and I do a capital P, and then I just paste in there exactly what my folder is named. So I've done Article 1. That, as it stands at the moment, is just going to jump me to that section. It's not going to jump me to page 2. So that is how you would jump between sections. So if I had another folder called The End, 200-The End, this would just say P, The End, and it would take me to that section. So because I want to go to page 2, I just need to put a -2 on the end, and it'll take me to page 2 within that section. You can also do something slightly different. You can also just put the number of the folder instead of the name. So I could put P10 to take me to folder 10 and -2 to take me to the second page within that folder. I generally don't like doing this because I often change the numbers around on my folders quite a bit in case I want to move sections around or add sections in. So I'm just going to leave that as P Article 1 -2. So I'm just going to copy that because we will do this now for everything where we want to flip between pages, and I would now change that 2 to a 3 because I want to go to page 3, and then here I want to go to page 1, so I could put -1, or I could just leave it and just put P Article 1 because that's going to take me to the first page in that section anyway. So you would apply these links to every page that you want to flick back and forth. I've already done it for these ones. And then you just export your file, put it into my folder that I've already created, L for landscape, 1 for page 1, -1 for layer 1. And I'm just going to save all 3 pages together. You don't need to export them all individually if you don't want, you can, but just to save time I'll just do all 3 together. So page 1 to 3, export, and that's our page links created.